Goa has taken a major step towards environmental sustainability with the launch of its first common hazardous waste treatment, storage and disposal facility. Built at a cost of 125 crore rupees by Ponda Envocare Limited under the supervision of the state government, this facility is equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure safe and scientific disposal of hazardous waste. Importantly, it's also generating local employment with nearly 80% of its workforce from Goa.
गोंयांतल्या एकूय हॅजार्डस वेस्ट तयार करपी कंपनीन तांचो हॅजार्डस वेस्ट जो आसा 100% फोंडा एनवोकॅर हेका धाडून दिवपाक जाय किंवा ते वचून कलेक्ट करतले. ताज्या खातीर कोणीच ह्यान फुडें ना आमी भायल्या कंपनी कडेन एग्रीमेंट केला, आमी आमचो ट्रीट करता, ना शक्य जावचें. खातीर 100% पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड ह्यान फुडें पर्सनली मॉनिटर करतले.
90% of our workers that are working in this facility are all localites. That is the biggest advantage to the employment facility to the state.
The new unit aims to handle Goa's growing hazardous waste scientifically and sustainably. It includes a landfill, incineration unit and pre-processing unit, allowing some waste to be reused in the cement industry.
डेली कंपनीक गाडयो वयता त्या प्रमाणे कंपनीज वेस्ट जे येता पळय ते पयलीं हांगा FPA एनालिसीस म्हणून हांगा लॅबान हाडटा. पयलीं कॉम्प्रेहेन्सीव एनालिसीस जाल्लेलें आसता, तेजे डिपेंड तेजें हें वयता म्हळ्यार खंयच्या पातळी डिस्पोजल पातळेक वयतले त्या प्रमाणे आमी परत कॉम्प्रेहेन्सीव आसा पळय रिपोर्ट आनी हो रिपोर्ट कंपेर करता आनी कितें डेविएशन आसा पळयता आनी त्या प्रमाणे मागीर एनालिसीस डेलीचें आसता.
The facility can process up to 25,000 tons each of landfillable and pre-processing waste annually, along with 14,000 tons of incinerable waste. This marks a major step by the Goa government towards a cleaner, safer and more responsible environment.